guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm super excited to be vlogging. I told you guys I wanted to vlog more, so here I am. The beauty room is a hot mess express because I was filming yesterday, and basically in a nutshell, I filmed the video and then I needed to refilm it because I filmed it with no audio. It was the worst. But today's an exciting day because today is the official launch of the brand new Morphe Making You Blush collection, and I want to go to my local Morphe store and pick it up in store, so I figured it'd be fun to take you guys along with me. So like I said, we're gonna be going to the Morphe store, so I'm just gonna grab my bag, put on my little sandals, and we're gonna head out the door. I will give you guys an update when we get inside the car. All right guys, I just got in the car. I don't have a phone holder. I mean, I have a phone holder, but it's more to like hold my phone for GPS. So, and I also don't know where I'm going yet. I'm still very new to my area, so I'm definitely gonna need the GPS to get me where I'm going. I'm gonna have to put the camera down here because like there's people over there moving in and like they're just looking at me like, what the hell is she doing? But anyways, sorry if this is a weird angle, but I was gonna say that actually on TikTok, you guys, on TikTok, Christian Dominique, which if you guys don't know who she is the CEO of Dominique Cosmetics. You guys, she wrote me on TikTok, like inboxed me on TikTok. I was shook, and she's like, oh my gosh, I love your work. And I was like, what? Like, thank you so much. I was like fangirling for real. So she sent me a package, so I'm really excited. So it was supposed to arrive yesterday, but FedEx tried to play me. I've been having so many issues with getting my deliveries delivered to my complex. Like, I don't know what it is, but these delivery drivers are so lazy. And then we live in a gated community, but the gate currently is broken, so the gate is open. They can just go and drop it off at the leasing office. Like, if you're that lazy and you don't want to bring it to my building and to my apartment, that's fine. Take it to the leasing office and I will go and pick it up. Like, it's really not that difficult. So basically the FedEx driver just decided that it was undeliverable, so I went online and actually decided to have them drop it at a pickup location, and I'm gonna go pick it up. So I think I'm gonna go there first because I want to make sure I get it before the facility closes. So let's go pick up the Dominique Cosmetics package first, and then we'll go from there.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
All right, you guys, I picked up my package. I should have took off my purse. I'm so excited! What? Girl, did I just get PR from Dominique Cosmetics from the CEO, Miss Christian Dominique? I'm a little shook. I'm shook. I'm excited. I cannot wait to open this. This is what the package looks like. Oh my goodness, you guys. What? Who is she? Who is she? Okay. Anyway, I have hair. Okay, I got hair in my mouth. I'm out of breath. And I'm blocking the camera, girl. Okay. Next stop is Morphe. Let's go to Morphe before something sells out and then I have a heart attack. So we're gonna go to Morphe, and then I do need to stop at Sally's because I've been without my Collapse Set the Stage powder for way too long, and I need to get another one. And then I also want to go to Walmart to get some of the new Pro Fusion blushes. I heard they're amazing and very pigmented, so I want to get those too. So first stop, Morphe. Let's go.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
my stuff from Morphe. Very exciting. I also found some bomb liners at Morphe, and you guys, I met a follower. She says she follows me on Instagram. It honestly caught me so off guard because I honestly am just your regular average girl who loves makeup, so it was just so weird, but also I'm so grateful. So it was so nice to meet you. She also follows me on YouTube. That was just like so special. That was the first time that anyone has ever been like, oh my gosh, like, can I take a picture with you? That was insane, but incredible experience. So we got the bag, girl. We secured the bag. It's sitting over there. I also got me some Auntie Anne's. You gotta tell me, what kind of pretzel lover are you? I am Auntie Anne's only, okay, but I love me a cinnamon pretzel. It's very rare that I'm in the mood for a butter pretzel, and if I do get the butter pretzel, I have to get a cheese sauce on the side to dip the pretzel in the cheese. And I always get me a strawberry lemonade with extra ice. It is to die for. So let me know, do you like butter pretzels? Do you like cinnamon pretzels? Is there any other pretzel that you like? I'm for sure a cinnamon pretzel if I had to choose between the two, but yeah. So we made it through the mall. I didn't get lost. I'm always telling Kiki like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna forget where I parked my car. I'm gonna get lost. What am I gonna do? I can't call you because you're working. But sometimes it's really nice to get out the house. A lot of the times I go on a me date and I will just have a date with myself and go out and enjoy the day, and it's very refreshing, and I love doing it. And it reminds you that you can be independent on your own and just enjoy your own company. So we made it through the mall. I did already go to Morphe like I mentioned, and now I am going to go to Walmart because I want to get some blushes, and I'm also going to go to the beauty supply store, Sally's Beauty, because I want to get another collapse at the Stage Powder. That's what we're doing. My arm is getting tired, but yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna sit here and I'm going to enjoy my pretzel and just take a chill pill because my sandals are giving your girl a blister. I hate when that happens. So I'm gonna just chill out, eat my pretzel, drink my juice, and relax, because why not? And then we're gonna head to our next destination, which is gonna be Walmart. So the Walmart and the Sally's are both in the same plaza, so we'll be able to do that, and then we're gonna go back home. Hey y'all, so a little update real quick. I just got back in the car. So I went to Walmart to look for those Pro Fusion blushes, and they don't have it in stock at my local Walmart. They have it in stock in another one, but the Walmart that does have it in stock is 46 minutes away, and I am not driving 46 minutes because Florida traffic is ridiculous, and also gas is not cheap right now, so I'm not about to waste my gas to go 46 minutes there and 46 minutes home. So I'm just gonna order them online, but I did find my powder. I'm so excited. I don't know if Collab is leaving Sally's, but there was only one of these, and I did see that online. There's a few with a white cap. There's one in the shade Banana, and they also have a Creme Brulee shade. But this one right here that I found at the store, there was only one more, and it was sealed. This one just says Set the Stage Soft Focus Translucent Finishing Powder, which is exactly what mine says. So I don't know if they changed the name because they made more shades, or if this is the right one. So I'm not sure. I am going to do some research online, and I will link it down below in today's video. I will link it down below in the description box of today's vlog. But that is pretty much it. I am going to go home. I'm actually reading Kiki's text right now. She's like, babe, where are you? You've been out for too long. Come home. So I'm going to go home now. But we had a successful shopping trip, so I'm gonna go home and we will see what else I'm able to vlog today, and I will see you guys in a few. All right, you guys, so I'm back home. So you guys can see I have a few packages over there on the counter to unbox. Also that FedEx package and the Morphe bag that I told you guys I will unbox on Instagram. But first, honey, first we need to clean this beauty room. Let me show you guys this beauty room. Look at this beauty room. This is a freaking disaster. But like, honestly, I've been filming a lot, so I haven't really been doing a great job of cleaning up after filming. So that's definitely not an excuse. I really have been trying my best to clean up after filming so I don't have to deal with this. But I'm gonna play some music and let's go ahead and clean up this beauty room.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit to your bars.
So this is as clean as it's gonna get. I just wiped that down, that's why it's wet, but that is my filming table. You guys can see it is full of makeup because I film a lot and makeup gets everywhere. So that stays like that. I used to take it down on Fridays so that way you could really get the vibe of the room. But right now, I hate the way this beauty room looks. It's like not my vibe. There's Lulu. So I was like super into the pink theme. As you guys could see, I had the pink carts, all the pink decor, and I'm just over it. I'm more in that like mature stage, if you will. So I really want to give this room like grown woman vibes. So this cart right here drives me absolutely insane. I got it at Michael's. It's very good for the amount of makeup you can store in here. But again, I'm just trying to revamp my room. So I'm actually going to buy some Alex drawers to put against this wall with a tabletop. So that way I can have a different background other than just the shelves. I'm kind of over having the shelves in the background. So I want to get a neon sign to put on this wall. And then we'll have like an actual table back here that I can decorate. I'm going for more like nude, beige, greenery vibes. The only thing that's going to be pretty much pink in here is my iMac, a few little pink details, and then the neon sign. So yeah, this right here is filled with makeup. It is unbelievable. I have so much makeup in here, it's insane. All this is unused makeup. Over there I have my shelves and then my vanity. I'm also not very happy with this vanity. You guys know I specifically got it for this beauty room. This is what it looks like. So number one, the Impressions vanity mirror with the bulbs, the actual light bulbs, is so much brighter than this one. This one does not get as bright and I don't like that at all. So I am actually going to sell this mirror and get a different mirror. And I'm also not even loving the vanity, but I am going to keep the vanity because it was very, very expensive. This was expensive. I wish I would have seen like a friend maybe have it, like be able to see it in person before I purchased it, because if I did, I would not have purchased it. I'm definitely not happy with it. But anyways, when I revamp this room, I'm going to be changing the knobs and I'm also going to be painting the glass top. I know it's like, girl, that is the whole point of the vanity, and I know, but I hate it, you guys. Like, the clean freak in me, this drives me insane. Like, to be able to see all this, like, it just doesn't go, and this is always a mess because I'm always using my P. Louise bases. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be painting this white. But yeah, so that's gonna be the project. So we'll see how long that takes to do. And I will obviously film that once I start to do all the changes. But you know, work first, save the money, and then I'll start to buy everything that I need. But yeah, so this is as clean as the room is going to get. It's nice, it's spacious, and all the makeup is put away. So yeah, so I honestly think this is pretty much it for today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed spending some quality time with me. If you guys like vlogs, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.